Now then, it's the 4th of January for me, first one back. Been quiet the first couple of days that I was available. So it got me in today on a 12 o'clock Scotch run. Nothing changes there, still want to head north. However, today I finally got the keys to the 68 Scania R450. And I'm loving it. It's a little bit, it feels a little bit top heavy, it's just getting used to it I suppose, but a mate of mine who's driving this at the minute, driving these ones, he said something to do with the suspension, it's all automated and stuff like that, and it feels a bit skittish. I'm sure you get used to it. But yeah, lovely, very, very similar. A couple of things I will show that's different. Straight away the tachograph machine is different than what we're used to. It's nothing, it's just buttons under there and nothing at all. Got this handbrake on. It's one of those ones where you pull it and push it. Bit weird, getting used to. I prefer a handbrake. But same issue with all the buttons on there. I've just taken a 15 at the moment in my favourite place. Well, I'll say my favourite place, it's just my usual spot. I've got an hour from here to Tesco's Livingston for a 4 o'clock booking, so bang on. Weather, traffic permitting of course. But yeah, it's lovely, it's really nice. Loads of space, loads of overhead lockers, tons of storage all the way around there, all the way around there. It's obviously brand new, it's only got 3,000 kilometres on it. The lads have been using it over the Christmas period, but yeah, very, very nice. Sit up here, just get a better view of it, what it looks like from behind. Loads of chargers, USB, there's a USB there, your 24 volt, your 12 volts underneath there. You've got the same kind of setup here, you've got a USB in there as well. Excellent for charging ports like. But yeah, there you go. Really nice, really comfortable and quick. There you go. Scania R450 68 plate. Thumbs up. Give it 8 out of 10. Well, I hope everybody's had a cracking Christmas and New Year. I know that thing's been going round. It's always going round, isn't it? So much going round. I know of quite a few people that have been floored over Christmas and New Year with some bug going about. Fortunately, I skipped all that. So did the family. I wonder if I'll be bringing sprouts back tonight. I very much doubt it. Although they still run right up, well, all year actually. Remember when I was going to the airport last summer, picking sprouts up that had been flown in. So it's not, sprouts aren't just for Christmas. See kale there on the left hand side, or cabbage, one or the other. Still very much harvesting up here, big time. I imagine I'll be coming back with something. Drysdales or East Lothian, probably not East Lothian, not this time of night. By the time I get out Tesco's, you're looking at around 6 o'clock. At the latest. So we'll see. Yeah, I still haven't got anything in tomorrow. I know I'm working Sunday. I've got an 8 AM locals on Sunday. So I'll be floating around all over the shop, which is fine. I'm only looking for 3, possibly 4 a week. Three's fine. all my coursework and everything, all that awful stuff is virtually done. I've got like literally one page to finish off. I was doing it last night, and then, you know, and you just like, you gotta make mistakes and you carry on. So put the computer away and all the paperwork. If I am off tomorrow, I'll be finishing that off, and then I'll be phoning up for the flight examination, because I think the paperwork will get the thumbs up. As you've seen on my vlogs, I've been out a couple of times, and it's purely, I've got to get the hours in, you see. It's all logged on these drones now, honestly. It's like, registers everything, which is good, but you've got to have a certain amount of hours flying in before you can do your assessment. So I was just making sure I had them boosted in over the last couple of weeks, and obviously share you some lovely footage of my beloved home. Love Sluice, that's where we're off, and you'll see us hiding down that little bit with a bag of fish and chips from the Gill's Chippy down there. Oh my god. I'm not sponsored by Gill's, I'm not getting any free bags of chips off them either. I'm just sharing. Without a doubt, the best chippy I've eaten. Not all that on the head this month, by the way. We're doing the dry January and the sort of like no bread, no crap in the house at all. So I've literally just had a box of lettuce and chicken that I cooked yesterday. See how we get on. Got to look good for the 1st of February, you know, because we're away to Tenerife. Yeah, I don't want to get shown up. So we're sitting, cruising along nicely here. It's only 50-mile-an-hour speed limit. Scotland, remember? It's a dual carriage, not a motorway. But it's sitting nice, comfortable. Got the seat position bang on the way I like it. Wasn't spot on when I was coming up, so just during that 15 minutes there, I was finished my salad and then rested about for 5 minutes. Lovely and comfortable. "33 miles to go."
Put it on 29, please.
29 will do. Straight back. love it when the Christmas rush is over. Fridge is off, doors are secure. All good in the hood. What time is it? It's 5:20. I'm in for a little bit of shitty traffic, but not too bad. Okay. There's cameras on the front, back, sides, everything in this truck. It's crazy. When you indicate left, the camera monitor comes on, you indicate right, reverse, it all goes on the monitor. It's very good. Gimmick like, to be honest with you. I'm sure it'll come in handy when you're slow manoeuvring, but when you're going round the roundabout, you're too busy focusing yourself anyway. Right, what's this code to get out of here? There it is, nice big bold writing is done. You must know me. 7, 5, 8. Okie. Back to the yard. Back for 9 o'clock. One of the guys was in there, look, great crack, Gary's called. So that was like, even though I was there just over an hour, that poor fella's been in since 3 o'clock because he's got the Gomez run. Total nightmare. We're in no hurry to get that stuff off. So he's been in since 3, it's now 5:25, 2.5 hours. And it was late, but obviously they're in no hurry to get it off. But he's such good crack, him, like. Nice bloke. You do have him.